Good morning, class. In the previous class, we had completed the explanation of the chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Today, we'll do two exercises of that chapter. Now, in the first exercise, read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. Now, to answer these questions, first we'll have to read the given news report. Now, I'll read the news report for you people and then we'll do the answers for those questions. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all seven on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am. As it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the seven members crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in the tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Now, this was the news report. Now, let us answer the questions from the news report. Now, the first one is date and place of liftoff. The answer for this question we'll find in the fourth paragraph. The date and place of liftoff was 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Now, the second one is number of astronauts on board. How many members were there on board? There were 7 members on board. So, the answer for the second one is 7. Number of days it stayed in space. Now, the answer for this is it stayed in space for 16 days. Fourth one is number of experiments done by scientists. How many experiments did the scientists do? They did 80 experiments. Now, date of their return journey. We'll find the answer to this question in the first paragraph only. The date of the return journey was 1st February 2003. Now, the last sentence is height at which it lost contact. The height at which it lost contact is 2 lakh feet. So, the answer for the sixth one is 2 lakh feet. Now, we have completed the answers from the news report. Now, the next one is match the following. Let us do match the following. First one, we have to match the phrases with the meanings given. Number 1 is unprecedented space tragedy. The meaning of unprecedented space tragedy is a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Now, the second one, certified flight instructor. The meaning of certified flight instructor is a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Number 3 is space mission. The meaning of space mission is a set of jobs to be done in space by a group. The fourth one is super specialization. The meaning of super specialization is great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Number 5 is encyclopedic knowledge. The meaning of encyclopedic knowledge is having knowledge of wide variety of subjects. Number 6 is awe-inspiring. The meaning of awe-inspiring is something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. And the last one is in this age. The meaning of in this age is nowadays, in these times. Now, class, we have completed these two exercises which you have to do in your literature notebooks. Okay, thank you, children.